Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, Asad Yaqub here with a wonderful video. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the nature of passages in academic IELTS. Sometimes, there are passages out of blue. All of a sudden, there is something technical and all that, and students usually don't know about the type of passages that they give. Now, let me tell you, there are basically three type of passages, or there are three types of passages that they give you in academic IELTS. At the moment, I'm talking about academic IELTS only. The first one is scientific or technical. Scientific and technical passages are based on research, science, innovation, something new going on, some sort of research that has been done about elephant translocation or anything like that. Okay, so for this, the best resource is Cambridge IELTS books 1 to 18, number one. Number two, if you are a good reader and you would like to improve your reading skills, then it's a very good idea to read SciTech World. Like there is a magazine SciTech, so you need to read that SciTech, that's a very good magazine. Then there are some other scientific journals, so you can read some articles, but students don't have enough time. For that, I would advise you just focus Cambridge IELTS books and read the passages which are given there. The second type is humanities passages. Humanities passages are passages which are based on history. Like there is one Marie Curie in book 9. That is humanities passage based on history. Literature, you will find some literature, Homer's Legacy. That's there in Cambridge Official Guide and all that, okay? Literature. Then there is philosophy, and then there are some passages which are on social sciences, okay? So these type of passages they give you in academic IELTS. And finally, there are some mixed passages. These mixed passages can be technical or non-technical. Now, let me tell you one thing. In academic IELTS reading, they don't check your scientific knowledge. They don't check your scientific vocabulary and all that. They only check your ability. If they give you anything scientific based on some research, are you able to understand that or not? Okay. So remember, whenever it comes to IELTS reading, you don't have to read all the passage. No doubt they give you 3 long passages, but you don't have to read them. In 3 long passages, you have to solve 40 questions. And what does that mean? That means there are 40 points in the passages, or there are 40 sentences in 3 passages which you have to read to find your answer. I usually say this thing, if I give you one sentence which is related to the question and I give you 40 questions, you can do that all in 20 minutes. The problem is you have to locate where that information is. You need to make sure that information is right, and then you write your answer. So in IELTS reading, practice makes perfect. If you have interest, I've done another thing as well. Like, there are passages in IELTS, and if you type the title of the passage in YouTube, you will find a documentary. The other day, I solved a reading test from Cambridge IELTS book, and that was about Botswana zebra population. And then I went to YouTube and I wrote there Botswana zebra population, and I found a wonderful documentary there. So if you find, whatever the topics are, if you watch documentary, in the documentary they speak the same language along with visuals, you understand things better. Some people don't like reading, so through this documentary method, you can improve your vocabulary, scientific vocabulary, your knowledge, and this is how you can improve your IELTS reading further. Remember, in order to get good bench score in IELTS reading, you must actually solve 1 full test every day, minimum, and maximum 2 full tests, okay? Don't overburden yourselves. And once you complete 1 test, you need to see how many answers are correct, and you need to investigate into wrong answers, and then you will be able to minimize the number of wrong answers and you will increase the number of correct answers, and that will improve your bench score as well. Thank you so much. All the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online in-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.